5 tips for keeping your home clean during the holidays. 1. Keep cleaning supplies within reach. Keep homemade bathroom cleaner and a sponge under the bathroom sink and kitchen cleaner within easy reach of the stove so you can clean up messes as they happen. 2. Check the fridge. When making dinner each night, do a quick check of the fridge. Did anything spill or spoil? Toss anything that needs to go and wipe up any spills or leaks. 3. Clean as you cook. Make kitchen cleanup easier and quicker by doing dishes as you go. 4. Dust during commercials. Reduce dust by wiping down the coffee table, side tables and media center during those 2-minute breaks. 5. Give everyone a task. Get the whole family involved to clean during the holidays. Visit FastKlean.co.uk to book online or call us now on 020-8884-9149.